Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to generate realistic videos using Hailuo AI, a free tool that gives you 300 credits just for signing up. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Google and then just type Hailuo AI and then just click on these links to access the website and then just log in using your Google account, and once you're in you will receive 300 free credits, which is more than enough to explore and try things out. And to start generating videos, just click on the video tab. And here you will see two options, text to video and image to video. And in this tutorial, we will try the text to video options. Now write your prompt, describe what kind of video that you want. You can also add camera movements by clicking this camera icon and then just choose that you want. In this tutorial, I will choose 3 selections and then I will choose static shot. And then I will type my prompt like this. Like this. Next, just choose your model and then quality and the durations. And then just choose your number of outputs that you want. I will choose 1. And then just click generate. And then just wait for the process. And okay, let's play the video. That's it. The result may not include sound, but the visuals are surprisingly realistic. It's perfect for creating content like avatar videos, automated YouTube shorts, or affiliate promo ads for social media. And if you want to download it, just click this download icon. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.